Assalamu alaikum, friends! If you understand English but get stuck while speaking, or feel afraid of making mistakes, this video is for you. Today, I am going to share 3 easy and practical tips to become fluent, and also 3 very important rules that you must follow. Let's get straight to the point. The 3 practical tips. Point 1. Think in English. The biggest mistake we make is thinking in our own language first and then translating it. This stops us from being fluent. What to do? Start thinking about your daily tasks in English. For example, I need to drink water, or I should finish my work early. It might feel hard at first, but your brain will get used to it. Point 2. The shadowing technique. Fluency is all about rhythm. What to do? Listen to any English video or podcast. Repeat exactly what the speaker says, right after them. Copy their tone, their pauses, and their style. This helps your mouth muscles get used to English sounds and improves your accent. Point 3. Record yourself. This is the fastest way to find your mistakes. What to do? Record yourself for 1 minute every day. Talk about anything, your day or your goals. Then listen to it. You will notice where you are getting stuck. The next time you speak, your brain will automatically improve those mistakes. 3 important tips for success. Along with these points, keep these 3 important tips in mind. Confidence. Don't worry about what people will think while you speak. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning. Keep it simple. Don't try to make long or complex sentences in the beginning. Start with short and clear ones. Consistency. Practice is the key. You don't need hours, just practice for 10 to 15 minutes, but do it every single day.